Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at the range now. I've got the Springfield 911. Let's go ahead and take a few shots. We'll talk more about it and see how it goes. Springfield 911 380 ACP. All right, here it is. The 911 380 ACP made by Springfield. Nifty little gun. This did have the 7-round magazine with the extended base plate. This is how I would carry it if I carried this gun. It was actually quite smooth shooting. It was very smooth for a micro 380. Fully loaded, weighs 16 5/8 ounces. It goes around $500. Okay, so it's a little bit less expensive than the SIG model P238, but a couple of the features: does have G10 grips, ambi thumb safety, aluminum frame. It does have some cutouts in the serrations, the rear serrations, that are a little bit different, angled cutouts, make it okay. But I do like the sights here. They are Pro Glow, AmeriGlow Pro Glow sights, and the front is green tritium. It does have a loaded chamber indicator right there, and a very nice trigger too. It is unloaded now, but you can see that the trigger pull itself, the reset is very short. So not bad. Those were actually my first shots, and I had an idea what to expect, but you know, you really have to get out here and shoot it to get a full idea. I've got the 6-round mag in now. Okay, this gives it a flat base plate here. Let's try it again. We'll start. Okay, so I went to charge it and it held up right there. All right, now it's in battery. We'll start with the small target right there. That's a 7-inch target. We'll see if we can hit that. Yep, do it again. Missed. There we go. All right, so a little jam there. So the gun's having trouble going into battery. I will mention it does have a loaded chamber indicator. That helped right there when I hit the back of the slide. Let's go for this target right there. There we go. And the slide did lock open. Here we are 15 yards away. We've got the 911 380. I've got the 6-round mag in here. Let's see if okay, so it didn't fully chamber there, and now it did. 15 yards. Let's go left or right to left. It's accurate. I tell you, it's an accurate little shooter. Now I love the single action trigger pull. Springfield measures it, or their site says 5 pounds. I'm showing 5.5 pounds, so just a slight difference there. Also, a couple questions came about when I did my tabletop review. People were asking, does it have a firing pin block? And I had to do a little research, and I found out that yes, it does have a firing pin block. So this would not be considered a 70s series, but they also said it's not an 80s series either because of the different configurations, being that it's such a small little handgun. All right, so it didn't fully chamber that time either. Let's do it again. See if we'll go with that small target. 7 inches, 15 yards. Come on. There we go. All right, didn't chamber again. We'll go with the tombstone target. There we go. All right, let's stay at 15 yards. I've got the 6-round mag in. See if this thing, yep, it charged that time. All right, took one of those cases off my head there. All right, there we go again. Hopefully over time that's going to work itself out. Tombstone. Springfield 911, I'll say this, for a micro 380 that has a 2.7 inch barrel, I have no issues at all with its accuracy. I think it's very accurate. Let's go for that tombstone. And once again, it is not chambering each and every time. All right, so the loaded chamber indicator did come up that time. Kind of banging up my hand, continually charging it. Here we go. Tombstone double taps. All right, no complaints with the quickness of the trigger. So there it is, the Springfield 911. I will say, once it chambered, it was a very accurate gun, smooth shooting gun. I felt the trigger to perform very well. When it chambered, it was nice. When it did not, it created a little bit of a problem. Had to continually hit the back of the slide to get that to go into battery. But it was nice shooting. I'm not sure if that issue is going to solve itself over time, just rounds through it. I have to believe that it will, but you never know. You know, that's why you have to put a lot of rounds through your guns to make sure that it's going to perform exactly as intended. Sights were pretty nice, triggered nice, G10 grips felt good, and overall I felt that it was a pretty good gun outside of those issues that I just mentioned. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.